Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be reacting to Comic Conversation by John Farnham. This should be a live performance. Alright, let's quickly check it out. Join me.
Thank you very much. Yeah! Oh, you're nice to sing to. Thank you. You're really nice to sing to. Thank you very much. Isn't this fun? I like this. This is fun. I know I'm going to put this over here because I'll fiddle with it. And my wife told me not to fiddle with the mic stands. And don't put your hands in your pockets. I remember that. Good evening. Does that mean good evening back? Good. Right then. Got to be a bloody cowboy as well to keep this together. Doing lasso tricks here. Oh no, that's his spot. It's okay. Good evening. I love my work. Something I don't often get a chance to do is to just bugger her, she's not here. No, save it for the end. We need all the help we can get at the end. She's warm, isn't it? Anybody want a beer? Stiff. This isn't a pub, you know. Something I don't often get a chance to do is to just, well, tap dance. No, I'm only kidding. It's just to sing with my friend, David Hirschfelder, over here on the keyboards. Unfortunately, I'm not going to get a chance to do that this evening either. No, I'm only joking. David and I have this little thing that we do. We got 2 or 3 songs that we do together that we do at friends' weddings and bar mitzvahs and birthday parties and stuff. And no, you can come on. Everybody's got a party trick. I know what yours is, but pardon? Show you me legs. Nick off. I don't do comedy. As you'll probably no doubt realise as we go through the night, I've got some lousy jokes. Thank you very much indeed. I love you too, and I can't even see you. But you sound like girls. I'm in. No. No, and it wasn't that funny. Don't laugh at me. Don't laugh at me, it only encourages me. I'll get carried away and start to talk all bloody night. Now, normally, over the last couple of weeks, I've had a bit of a cold, and I've been using a bit of chewing. Thanks very much. A lot of sympathy I'll get from you, like, oh. But so, and I got used to singing with chewing gum in my mouth, so I'm sort of leaving room there for it as I'm singing, so you'll probably, you know, and I'm blowing it a little bit, so you'll probably see bits of spit flying out. Everywhere. See, my mouth is very moist, and it gets caught in the lights. As a matter of fact, the whole bloody front of the stage gets moist. That's why we had to put this catchment. We'll edit that out, won't we? Where's the cameraman? We'll edit. So it was. Shh. Okay, so this first song is a song I recorded about 15 years ago. No, it's not that bloody song. No way. No way. No. Oh! No, I can't. I'll tell you what. You mongrels. That was 20 years ago. Oh, jeez. I don't know what you're laughing about. You weren't even born when that was... You were, I can tell, even from here. Actually, there's a lady down the front in the second row with a pair of binoculars. Can you see the joins? No. Oh, they're only little ones. Have you ever taken them to the opera? Would you want to take them again tonight, Nick? I'm only joking. It's a bit disconcerting. Please don't stop using them. Would I like to know why you use them? Geez, yeah. Oh, you can't see me without them. It's Stevie Wonder, ladies and gentlemen, down in the second row here. No, I didn't mean to embarrass you, please. Please don't be embarrassed, because I understand that you want to look at me with binoculars from the bloody second row. Whether you can see me or not. I mean, I've got pimples and everything. Well, I haven't had a pimple for 15 years, but... Good evening. So I better sing this song because we're running out of videotape here. I said, well, no, we've only got a 3-hour tape, so we've got to get it all in. If you know any of the words of this next song, please don't join in, because you're going to ruin the whole bloody thing. Okay? You know, 7,000 people singing out of tune, because you'll be following me at the time. Hit me, David. I'm going to ask your friends your number, and I'll call you when your man's out of town. And if I say the right words at the right time, then perhaps you'll even have me round. And wouldn't it be a funny situation, the two of us, and a comic conversation? How's the world been treating you, you'd say, trying not to get involved in any way? Have you been as fancy-free as how you said you'd like to be? Comic conversation will pass the time of day, when all the while I'm dying to reach out and hold you in my arms the way I used to do. I cannot help thinking that you feel the same. Comic conversation is the only way.
Such a great, legendary performance here. For some moments, I was beginning to ask myself if John Farnham is now a stand-up comedian. You can see how lively this performance is. Great one from John. Let's keep watching.
I like to spin away and wrap you in its silver thread and feel you sway. No, but many years have passed, and with them went the ride I ever had to feel this way. No, there isn't gonna be a happy ending. I think I should be going soon. I can't keep on pretending. How's the world been treating you, you'd say, trying not to get involved in any way? Have you been as fancy-free as how you said you'd like to be? Comic conversation will pass the time of day, when all the while I'm dying to reach out and hold you in my arms the way I used to do. I cannot help thinking that you feel the same. Comic conversation rules the game. I like this. I'm the biggest Stevie Wonder fan in the world. Anybody want to fight? Right. So, no, I really am. He's my favourite singer. I like to hear anyone sing, but for me, Stevie Wonder's special. He's also one of my favourite songwriters, and this next song is my favourite Stevie Wonder song. It's called... Pardon? What? Take your clothes off. No, come on, I don't do dirty stuff. Although I had an interesting thing happened the other day. We were up in Surfers Paradise doing some work up there at the Leagues Club, and I decided to take a bus into Brisbane. Yeah, it was quite funny at the time. And there was this Irish woman standing at the bus stop. As it happens. And, excuse me, but this is a true story. Her left breast was exposed. Now, it was pretty hot up there and the sun was streaming and I didn't want to get it burned or anything, so I said, pardon me, madam, your left breast's exposed. She said, no, I've left the baby on the bus. But no. True story. Seriously.
That was quite entertaining. That was quite comic, just like the title sounds, comic conversation. I never knew that John could be this funny. I never knew that John could be this comic. Wow, such a multi-talented man. Videos like this help to relieve stress, and I would highly recommend that we watch more videos like this. I love the comic parts. I love the parts where he finally gave us a very beautiful song. All right, thank you very much, and God bless you. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you for your support, for your love, and for everything. God bless you.